If you can't add money to your Venmo balance, here's why. First, make sure you're following the right steps. Open the Venmo app, go to the Me tab, tap Add Money, choose from a bank or debit card, enter the amount, and confirm. You don't need a Venmo balance to pay people. Venmo can pull money directly from your linked bank or debit card. If adding money is failing, it could be because your bank account isn't verified. Your bank reported insufficient funds, you've hit your transfer limit for the week, or a security check blocked the transfer. If that happens, you might need to try later or use a debit card instead. Adding from a debit card is usually instant. Adding from a bank can take 3 to 5 business days. Transfers can be delayed by weekends and holidays. Once you start adding money, you can't cancel the transfer, but once it's complete, you can move the money back to your bank if you want. You can also set up auto reloads when your balance drops. Just open the Me tab, tap Add Money, select Auto Reload and set your amounts. If your money doesn't show up after 5 business days, contact Venmo support.